Aloha Keiki! Welcome back to the Home Garden Network Homeschool Edition. Auntie T is back with another video, and today we are going to talk about natural pesticides. Are you ready? Let's begin! Do you remember in Lesson 7, we talked about the different creatures being attracted to your garden? Well, some of these creatures that come to your garden are going to be bad for your garden because they're going to think that your garden is their lunch. And these are called garden pests. Some of the ways that they can destroy your plants is by chewing the leaves on the plants. Think of the hungry caterpillar. He had to eat so much food to get bigger. Snails and slugs are also chewers, and they will eat parts of your plants. Another way that they destroy your plants is by sucking the juices out of your plants. These are the suckers of the garden pests, and they take the juice from your plants so that your plants can't get it. An example of these would be aphids. Aphids will attach on the underneath of your leaf, and they'll take all the juices out of your leaves. Another type of garden pest are going to be the tunnelers. These types of bugs will get inside of your plant, and they will eat your plant from the inside out. They can be in the leaves, the stem, or even the roots. So the best way to tell if you have garden pests is by observing your garden. Look at your plants. Sometimes you can see these creatures in action, especially caterpillars or snails. But sometimes you'll have to find the signs that they've been there. And some of the signs will include weird markings on your leaves, slime trails to your garden, your leaves can be discolored, wilted, or they can even have weird white fuzz on them. These are all signs that you have garden pests. Now what do you do? In the United States, many large corporations will spray their crops with pesticides. And pesticides are chemicals that are used to kill all the bugs and to repel any other bugs from coming. And while this is effective for the large corporations with big crops, it's not really safe for us because some of those chemicals stay on the plants and they even get into the ground. So one of the solutions, instead of using harsh chemicals, is to garden using organic solutions. And organic means that you're not using harsh chemicals to repel or get rid of bugs. Some of these examples can be using netting around your garden, and this will keep bugs from getting into your garden. You can also grow specific plants that help to repel bugs or to attract good bugs. For example, you can grow marigolds or cilantro, and these will attract ladybugs, and they would eat any aphids that you have in your garden. You can also purchase safe solutions like neem oil, which is available at most gardening stores. And this is a safe solution for you to spray on your plants to prevent any sort of insects or any sort of fungus getting onto your plants. And you can also create your own natural homemade pesticide. And that's what you will be doing for this week's activity. For your hands-on, you're going to pick one of the 3 recipes we've included in this lesson and make your own homemade natural pesticide. That concludes today's lesson. Thank you for joining the Home Garden Network Homeschool Edition. Aloha!